In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Hello Kitty filter on Instagram. First of all, open the Instagram app on your phone and then go to this profile, Gracia Maryland. So Gracia Maryland, okay? Click on her profile. Then next up, you want to scroll down and then you can click right there on the filter icon. So do that. Then next up, you're going to see all of these filters. Now next up, scroll down until you actually see the kitty filter, which is right there. Then click on that. Then right there, you can actually go ahead and click on try it. And then as you can see right there, you can actually go ahead and use the Hello Kitty filter yourself. And that's exactly how you can actually go ahead and get the Hello Kitty filter on Instagram. If this works, make sure you leave a like, comment down below that this works. Comment down below that this works so that other people can use this as well. That's it. I hope this works. Peace out.